Ever get that sinking feeling when a recurring charge hits your bank account and you have absolutely no idea what it's for? Yeah, we've all been there. Subscriptions sneak in, bills creep up, and suddenly, your hard-earned cash vanishes like a magician's trick. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money come in, promising to be your financial superhero, slashing subscriptions, negotiating bills, and keeping your finances in tip-top shape. But with so many options on the market, is Rocket Money the real deal, or is it just another budgeting fad? Buckle up, because we're diving deep to see if Rocket Money can actually save you money, or if it's just a money grab itself. Free versus premium, a tale of two rockets. First things first, Rocket Money offers both free and premium tiers. The free version lets you connect your bank accounts, track your spending, and set basic budgets. Think of it as a financial flashlight. It helps you see where your money goes, but it doesn't give you much power to control it. The real muscle lies in the premium service. Here's where things get interesting. Rocket Money boasts two key features: subscription cancellation and bill negotiation. Their subscription hunters claim to track down those pesky hidden charges and cancel them with a single click. Sounds like a dream, right? Bill negotiation, on the other hand, involves Rocket Money haggling with your cable or internet provider to get you a lower rate. But before you jump on the premium bandwagon, there are a few things to consider. Cancellation crusaders, myths versus reality. Canceling subscriptions can be a nightmare. We've all encountered those endless loops and confusing menus designed to make unsubscribing as difficult as possible. Rocket Money's subscription cancellation service promises to cut through the red tape, but is it magic or just technology? The truth is, it's a mixed bag. Rocket Money uses a combination of automation and human support to find and cancel subscriptions. While automation can handle the simpler stuff, complex subscriptions might still require human intervention. This means there's no guarantee they can catch everything, and you might still have to do some manual cleanup. Negotiation Nation, can Rocket Money really haggle you a deal? Here's the thing about bill negotiation, it's not magic. It's leverage. Negotiation services like Rocket Money work by using their bulk customer base to strong-arm service providers into offering better deals. It can be effective, especially for high-volume services like cable or internet. But there's a catch: success isn't guaranteed. Some providers simply don't budge on pricing, and some discounts might be temporary. Additionally, Rocket Money takes a cut of the savings they negotiate for you, usually around 30 to 60%. So, while you might save money on your bill, a chunk of that goes to Rocket Money. The free lunch fallacy: is there a better way? Here's the reality: most of what Rocket Money offers can be done for free. There are countless apps and websites that can help you track your spending and identify forgotten subscriptions. A little research can also equip you with the knowledge to cancel subscriptions and negotiate bills yourself. For example, many credit card companies offer free tools to manage subscriptions linked to your card. Calling your service provider directly and politely asking for a better deal can also work wonders. You might be surprised at what a little negotiation can achieve. So, is Rocket Money worth it? The verdict. Look, Rocket Money can be a helpful tool, especially if you struggle with managing subscriptions or find negotiating intimidating. But here's the honest truth: the free version offers limited value, and the premium features come at a cost, both financial and in terms of control. If you're a budgeting novice or simply overwhelmed by subscriptions, Rocket Money's premium service could be a good starting point. However, for the financially savvy or those willing to put in a little effort, there are free alternatives that can achieve similar results. The bottom line. Ultimately, the decision depends on your financial situation and comfort level. If you value convenience and are happy to pay for it, Rocket Money might be worth a try. But if you're looking for a free solution and are willing to invest some time, there are plenty of other options available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.